guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl latesha-kharizma. To all my new KSQUAD members, welcome. Let's jump right into this. Also today we're talking about the sensational Butta Lace 90s Bang Unit 912. This was sent to your girl from Sensationel, so shout out to y'all. But let's go ahead and get into the stats, you guys. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with your adjustable straps. Deeper part for more voluminous bangs, glueless install with elastic wig band, natural density hairline blends with most skin tones. This can also be styled with or without bangs. The style on this unit is a straight style. This is a 25-inch length unit, and it is a long layered unit with deeper parts. Okay, you guys, so I really wanted to review this. I thought this was so pretty. It reminds me of AALIYAH for some reason. I'm not for sure why, but it just reminds me of AALIYAH. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the style. I love the cut and the layers of the unit. Absolutely gorgeous. So like they said with most 90s bangs, this does come with bangs as well, but you don't have to style it that way. Now with my bangs, I have them swooped up into my little swoop there because the bangs were fairly long. And when I cut them, I kind of jacked them up, girls. So there's no way I was going to be able to wear the bangs. But even with the bangs, it's like super cute. And it does have a part where the bang is, so you can separate it. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it reminds me of a style that I've mentioned before that us girls used to wear back in the 90s called a wrap. And what you basically would do is spray your hair with wrap spray. You'd wrap it all around. You'd go to sleep, wake up, and your hair would literally fall how this looks. Like, that's how it would fall. And I see young girls now doing that on TikTok, and I'm like, oh, they really think they invented something. But you know, time reinvents itself, girls, so whatever. We'll let them keep thinking they invented it. But anywho, this is super cute, you guys. So let's go ahead and talk about the texture and the density on this. So the density on this is really good. Not too thin, not too thick. I don't feel tracks going throughout the unit. As far as the texture is concerned, this is going to be a light, silky yaki texture. So it's teetering on silky but not wiggy, if you guys know what I mean. I think that this needed to be a silkier texture because it does, you know, with the yaki, it wouldn't have fell the way that it needed to fall, and you wouldn't have seen the I would say the layers in this unit. So the texture is really good on this, really super soft. Right now I'm not getting any shedding, and I'm not getting too much tangling. The only shedding that I did get obviously was when I did cut the lace, but for right now I'm not really getting too much of either. Also, this is going to be a small, medium, and large head friendly unit. I do have a smaller size peanut head. This also comes with that adjustable wig band that you can adjust back there to your head size. And I do have mine adjusted because I wanted it to fit snug. So I don't have any combs adjusted, anything like that, just that wig band back there to make sure the unit is fitting nice and snug. I also do love the fact that it is a nice deep C-shaped part. I just love the parts on this unit. They're very defined, and I love that about the unit. You cannot shift this unit from left to right. This is going to be a right side part only. So my left side part, girls, don't be mad. Don't be mad, y'all, okay? But this is definitely going to be a right side part unit. And also, as far as the lace is concerned, well, since there's bangs on this unit, it is basically your just regular HD transparent lace. So I just went ahead and cut that off. I don't really think that that is like the star of the show at all. Look, there go Callie acting the fool again. Anyway, I don't think that that's the star of the show. So the lace, to me, it really isn't like a big deal, but the way that I've styled it, we'll get into that later because the lace a little bit has something to do with that. But right now, it's not really the star of the show at all, you guys. It is ear to ear though, and I wanted you guys to know that because if you wanted to put this behind your ear, let's go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do, right? And there's not like really thick ear tabs there at all. So I do love that about the unit as well. Now this also does say that this is pre-plucked along the hairline, which it is, but of course you're going to have to go in and pre-pluck yourself to your own liking, depending on how you know, thick or thin you like your hairline plucked, you guys. This is flowing really well. Love the body in this unit. It has a lot of body, it has a lot of bounce. It doesn't look wiggy at all. And if you feel like it is a bit on the shinier side, you guys already know dry shampoo or whatever method you use to tone down the shininess of this unit. but for me it looks really natural as well. Now let's talk about the style. The style is super cute, you guys. Like I said, it does come with bangs, but it also has beautiful layers in it. And I know it's a black unit, you can barely see it, but I'm going to try to zoom in so y'all can see like the layer there. But it does have a few layers in it that I do think are absolutely gorgeous. And I love the way that it's styled. It's like coming like in a claw, right? Like in a claw, like towards my neck area. It's not super straight. All of this is bumped. Then you have the 25 inches down here, which is also bumped. And usually I would say 25 inches is a long unit. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep it at 25. I'm not going to cut it at all. I think that this is the perfect length for this unit, being that the layers are definitely there. So there's layers going throughout the unit as far as the 25 inches are concerned. And I would say to keep it that length, because if you cut it, you're going to cut the layering and it's not going to look right if you do that. So I would personally keep the length at 25 inches. Also, you guys, it's a really lightweight unit as well. Usually I would say, you know, 25-inch units, let's go ahead and just reserve those for fall and winter months. But I think this is going to be a year-round unit because of how lightweight it is and how fun and flirty the unit is as well. It's super cute. And even if you incorporate the bangs, I would definitely throw some lokes on. That's Cali slang for like really dark ass glasses, but if you really want an Aaliyah vibe, I definitely would put the lokes on. It would be so cute. So let's go ahead and get right into the install dolls. Cut that lace from up under there, took the bangs out, wanted to wear the bangs, but then of course I, who cannot cut bangs correctly sometimes, messed the bangs up. So I had to swoop the bangs up into, you know, the front of the unit there. And when I did that, I went in with a little bit of product as far as the wax stick is concerned, and I went in with my Tresemme hairspray because I wanted to hump it a little bit, just like give it a little hump. And I sprayed it to about 1995, like I usually would in 1995 when I was 18. And it just came out the way that I wanted it to. As far as pre-plucking the unit, I did pre-pluck a little bit right near the parting area there. Just to kind of blend it a bit. And I also went in with a hot comb the back of it just to kind of slick it down. And I was pretty much done. Now, if you want to run if you want to run a flat iron through this, I would say go for it, but don't do it all the way down to the ends. Remember, like I said, this is layered and it's also bumped. So you want to be careful when you are flat ironing because you can bump it, but this is my thing. These are all still synthetic wigs. I don't trust none of that heat to wig type deal stuff, okay? Because you still can burn your wig. So make sure that you have this on a reasonable temperature if you do want to run the flat iron through her. But after that, I was pretty much good. Just put some little concealer up there in the parting area. And I was done. Like, would I say this is a throw and go? Definitely. Maybe not the first time around, but the second time around. So the first time around, you got to do a little bit of maneuvering, but the second time around, definitely going to be a wear and go, you guys, which obviously in my book is perfect. So the install, one and done, girl. Okay, y'all, so I just want to go ahead and get into the pros and cons of Miss 912. So the cons, I would say there really aren't any. Now the bangs, the only con I would have is the bangs are a bit too long and they can't be swooped. If the bangs were swoopable, then I would have just left them as is. Even though they're long, you would think they're swoopable, but not for me. Now, I don't know if it's because my forehead is really tiny. Like if I had a bigger forehead, I probably could have swooped those bangs. But for some reason, I just couldn't. Then I cut them and whacked them off and messed the whole thing up. So the bangs for me are a little bit too long. They're also a bit too thin. I would have preferred them be just a tiny bit thicker. But that's pretty much the only con I have about the wig. The pros are definitely going to outweigh the cons. The wig looks exactly how it looks on the stock card. I think the density and the texture is absolutely gorgeous on this unit. I really think that all the colors that this comes in are going to pop. The beige blonde, the chocolate copper, cinnamon copper, ginger copper, light ash blonde, and rose gold copper. I would get this in any of those colors and this would still look great. But you guys know I'm a #1 girl through and through. So the cons, so the pros are definitely going to outweigh the cons. I also think it's a fun and flirty unit. It's just really, really fun, you guys. It's lightweight. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this my charisma stamp of approval. I'm gonna link everything in the bottom description box below if you guys wanna go ahead and purchase Miss 912. And yeah, she a winner, girl, she a winner. You guys, that's pretty much it for this review. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, as well as sub to the K-Squad right now. That's my face popping up on the screen. Also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, which I have noticed you guys are following me on both of those. I always see new faces pop up in my following. So thank you guys so much for following. Thank you also for sharing all my videos here on YouTube as well, because yes, YouTube does let me know when you guys are sharing my videos, which helps the channel grow. I really do appreciate it, you guys, and don't forget to tune in for the next review. See y'all. Bye.